We're here today at the University of Technology, Sydney. We're partnering with them and also AEFAC today to speak to designers and tech directors about the latest release from AEFAC on the post-installed rebar connection latest design methodology. Let's take a look today and see what everyone is up to.
So I guess the benefits that I see today is that we'll be able to get more capacity with smaller embedments, and it's utilising the fact that we can use the fastening method as well as the standard method of development.
Given the methodology we've just sort of been exposed to, it seems that there's a way to achieve full capacity of the bar, which is something we've always sort of accepted the compromise. So this is definitely good news for us going forward.
The new methodology is quite exciting. It gives us an option to expand a lot of the engineering solutions that we already have available to us.
This new method now provides a reliable and code-compliant design method that allows to design for shorter embedment depths, also for yielding of the bar, and therefore I guess it increases the productivity, and it offers a lot of solutions where we haven't had solutions in the past. And this is true for the embedment lengths as well as for design for rigid connections.
The current design model, which we have in AS5216, has some limitations in the failure mode, and sometimes it's impractical to be used in the real field. For example, if you are connecting concrete to smaller member, a smaller column or the thin slab or thin wall sections, the current design model would give you the long embedment depth because it's limited by the cost and equivalence. So if you're using the new model, you can significantly reduce the embedment depth of the post-install rebar and can be used in those cases which was impossible if you use the current one.
So we are here today to launch Hilti's specialized design software, PROFIS C2C, which offers a comprehensive solution for designing concrete-to-concrete connections. And when it comes to design standards, PROFIS really is the state-of-the-art in full compliance with current Australian regulations. We are extremely proud to be able to partner with Australia's Fasteners Council, AEFAC, and to be one of the very first suppliers to launch a design tool which actually builds upon AEFAC's latest specifications. And when it comes to the highlights of the new design software, I would definitely mention the full compliance with local regulations. Also, this is the first design software that accounts for the typically deeper embedment of post-installed bars. And finally, it will enable specifiers to analyze connections which are rigid and moment-bearing, which wasn't necessarily possible in the past.